how to use security search on Samsung. So here, I'm going to walk you through how you can easily master the use of security search on your Samsung Galaxy phone. So if at the end of this, you found this often informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Before you can use security search on your Samsung Galaxy phone, you first need to turn on the feature called security search. So go to your Samsung phone settings. On the settings, scroll down and click on display. Then scroll down the page, locate navigation bar. Under navigation bar, make sure you turn on security search. So if you have the security search feature, that shows you can use security search. However, if the security search feature is missing, you can just come here and then search for security search. Then you're going to see where the security search is located on your Samsung Galaxy phone. And now, once you've enabled security search and you want to use the security search, you need to make use of your navigation bar before you can use security search. So let's say we are on any web page or you are using any application of your choice. So you just open the application just like this. Now you want to use security search. All you just need to do is come to your navigation, press and hold the navigation button. You're going to see this kind of pop-up, an effect that covers your Samsung phone screen. Here you can use Google, you can use microphone, you can use Google Glass, you can use Google Translate, and you can use music. You can see playing song or humming a song. So if you hum any song with this is going to detect the song on your security search. Then while the security search is active, you can just go ahead, circle anything you want to find out information about using the security search. And once you circle it, then you're going to see the search result pops up just like this. So it doesn't matter whether you are using Android 13 or you're using Samsung. So just press and hold it and then circle whatever you want to set, or just tap on it once like this. If it is image, just tap on it like this. Then you're going to see the security search information pops. You see that? Also, you can also use security search to translate. So if you want to translate any page, you can use security search. So when on the page, you just click on this translator button. Here you're going to see detect, and then what you want to translate to, go ahead and select the language you want to translate to. Then you should see it translated just like this. So you can just play around the security search feature and then get used to it. However, if you click on the three dots at the top right here, you can see all your search history. You can also delete your last 15 minutes search history on security search. So this will pop your search history from security search as well. So that is basically how to use security search on Samsung. So if you found this often informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.